antenna, never knowing when to stop. Sunglasses indoors, power for the cause, lights in the floors and sweat on the walls, cages and poles. Call off the search for your soul, or put it on hold again. She's having a sly indoor smoke. She calls the folks who run this, her oldest friends, sipping and drinking, laughing at imaginary jokes. 'Cause all the signals are sent, rising by door in some velvet morning. Years too late.